Hello everybody, it's Alex here on Ultimate Slow Eagle. Welcome back to Ratchet Deadlocked. In the last episode we took care of Planet Kronos and locked and defeated Shell Shock, our first of the... Fuck, what was it? First the Dread Zone Exterminators. Exterminators. Can't even speak today. And I finally got the fucking skill point with the 4 DZ strikers in one shot. I just need plasma. Wait, why is the sound not working? Alright, today we're going to be doing the Avenger tournament. So today might be fairly short with Dread Zone.
Clank, did you see me out there against that shell shock guy? Yeah, I saw.
You worry me, Ratchet.
Come on, Clank. Can't I just enjoy the moment?
Do you realize how many other heroes they have killed?
Fly in here.
Here, watch this.
And now for a Fox News action update.
The new season of Dread Zone is underway, and on pace to break ratings records once again. This year's contestants include the notorious mafia crime boss, known as Ratchet, seen here at his Mafia estate.
Bullshit. They lack journalism integrity.
Other notable contestants include Ratchet's ruthless robotic accomplice, Clank.
I never did like the look of him, Juanita.
I'm just glad he's off the streets, Dallas. And lucky for us, the Vox All-Star Exterminator crew is headed once again by 5-time Grand Champion Ace Hardlight. Last season, Ace shocked the galaxy by terminating a record 13 contestants, including Captain Starshield, the Brown Ranger, and Mad Monkey McKnight.
Dread Zone's 6 trillion fans are in for some unbelievable action over the coming weeks.
They certainly are, Dallas.
Yeah, I remember hearing about Ace Hardlight when I was a kid. He was this famous hero who disappeared.
That must have been someone else. Why would a hero kill other heroes for money?
Not money, Tin Man. Fun.
I do not understand.
You traitor! Do you think this is some kind of game? That's exactly what it is, Furball. And you're going to be the star of my highlight reel. I'll see you soon, Lombax.
What a jerk.
Hey, Ratchet, I know you're busy with the fighting and the jumping and the hurting, but I have a new bot upgrade for you.
I'll come in just a second now. Gangstuns, Mirror World. I think Dread Zone fight without the helmet just seems wrong. I also need to find all the others. Is this an orange? Alright, and we got a wrench upgrade. I'll definitely take that. And I'm gonna take the Arbiter. A rocket launcher. Sweet. I could probably use that. And also my wrench upgrade. We upgrade the wrench to Versa Wrench Multicore. Get the upgrade. which I'll get after we get done with today. We'll see how we are in the ratings. Rank ratings.
Your numbers are improving.
Still got rank above the pack. Alright, now let's head to the Battle Dome to start our adventure tournament.
The action is hot in the Battle Dome as Ratchet takes on the Avenger Tournament. If he can survive this grueling series of challenges, he will earn the rank of Avenger. Get ready for the speed round. Oh, the humanity.
Alright, 2 more skill point. We got that. Come on.
Kissing wars? Hell, quality enough of where does that leave Red Soda?
I'll show you. Behold, Dallas, the hell I unleashed the enemy to the enemy.
No, this announcer is impressed.
Speedy, yeah. Yeah, this looks like an orange light color. Nice.
Folks, the Battle Dome is shaking with excitement. Get ready to watch teams are
Let's get the mines upgraded. Power.
Remember, don't try any of this at home. Go to a friend's house. I think explosions are ready.
And falling into ash is going to put you back to your last save point. You won't necessarily die unless you're real low on the outset. Hunter Mines level 4. I'm just glad in this game you can strafe automatically. I'm gonna make you my next pizza topping. Hell yeah, let's go. Power, power. Let's do this.
Will the person driving a mid-grain Man Ray 5 please report to security? You're parked in my space.
I'm guessing the blue ones fall, won't they? Yep. Where do those Leviathans come from?
Oh, I can feel that one from in here. Ratchet has reached the top of the Tower of Power. He may be the first contestant to do so in the history of Red Zone. Juanita, what do you think about that?
Now the Lost Planet, Char, and Orkson returning from Ratchet and Clank 1.
We now have a new Avenger.
Got the screen armor.
After making his fortune selling cigarettes to children, Ratchet went on to pilot a tanker ship for Zexon.
A week later, Ratchet got drunk and crashed his tanker into the ocean world of Equados. Who can forget these?
Even
graphic
Alan
images
Clinton
of
knows
baby
bullshit.
steers smothered in radioactive waste. Little Coco never had a chance.
How could you? What did little Coco ever do to you?
What? Al, how can you believe these ridiculous lies?
No. I was just,
Come on, guys. We need to get out of here before we all wind up dead. What's the plan?
I have been chatting with a tech droid on the operations level. She may be able to provide the blueprints for these Deadlocked collars.
That's great.
But we must be very careful. Fox has eyes everywhere.
Clank is right. Alright, BOGO. Let's get it.
job, Ratchet. You really like blowing stuff up, don't ya?
Bro, you got no idea. Alright, anyways. Do we have any more dread challenges in this? Okay. Perfect in chrome finish.
This challenge mode is downright nasty, Juanita. Our contestant must destroy every enemy without getting so much as a scratch.
No scope.
Folks, just a reminder, tomorrow is Kick Your Best Friend in the Pants Day. Free popcorn for everyone who participates. Dark starts. Simply won't give up.
That's not in my dictionary. And then close and personal.
The Butcher of Bogon has his work cut out for him this time, Juanita. He starts the round with only a wrench for protection.
Five and one. Oh, ooh, that's hard to get.
Interesting fact, folks. Dread Zone started out with two guys fighting over a breakfast burrito, and the rest is history. One thing about Ratchet, you give him any lip and he'll feed you a leg sandwich. You better believe that, Juanita.
They're just kicking their asses. And that's what's up. Not very long recording. So 19 minutes. Okay. Woohoo! Ridiculous, man. Alright, there are the dread challenges.
Ratchet, I've seen assorted cheeses more dangerous than your combat bots. Bring them back to my shop and I'll give them some upgrades.
Coming right now, Al. What we got? Oh, just nothing. Okay. You waste my time! Okay.
If you feel your ranking appears in error and should be higher, please realize you are not that good.
Shut the fuck up. Help desk lady. Okay. We're about to start passing people before too long. Alright. And I think that'll wrap up today. Next time we are going to be starting Planet Shar. Until then, have a good one, folks, and I will see you next time.